This is exercise 34-6A, arraying objects in Z-space, rectangular arrays. And I will also include exercise 34-6B, arraying objects in Z-space, polar arrays. Okay, I'm in the 3D array rectangular drawing file in the Steps Lesson 4 folder. And we can begin. You can enter the 3D array command at the command line. You can type 3A as its hotkeys, or you can pick the 3D array button on the toolbar. Okay. AutoCAD asks me to select objects. I'm going to select the vertical I-beam here. Now you'll notice that there's really not a whole lot different between the 3D array and the array command, with the exception of an added level option. We're going to do a rectangular array. We want 2 rows, 3 columns, and 2 levels. Okay, the distance between our rows will be 9 feet. The distance between our columns will be 15 feet. And the distance between our levels will be 11 feet. Not bad. Let's repeat the command and select the horizontal beam. Okay. In this case, we also want a rectangular array. We want 1 row. We'll accept that. We want 3 columns and 2 levels. The distance between the rows is 15 feet, and the distance between the columns is 11 feet. And you've created a simple pipe rack. You can save the drawing as My Pipe Rack if you'd like, and then move on to exercise 34-6B. Okay, continuing, we are in the 34-6B exercise now, arraying 3D objects in Z-space polar arrays. We are going to array this nozzle around a sphere which has been frozen for now. My intersection and endpoint running O-snaps are toggled on. I will begin my array command, select my nozzle, tell AutoCAD that I want to run a polar array with 4 items in it. I do want to go 360 degrees, and I do want my objects rotated. The center point of my array will be the intersection of the center lines. A second point along the rotation of my axis will be here, like so. Okay, let's repeat the command. Select the same objects. We still want a polar array. We still want 4 objects in the array, and we still want to go 360 degrees rotated. Center point of my array will be here, and this time the second point of my axis will be here. And I can thaw my object 2, and I have got one odd looking vessel. If I select my vessel and I give it a smoothness level of 3, now I can turn off my marker layer, and I have one really bizarre looking vessel.